Most people come to trading with a mindset they already know. The employee mindset. It worked for years. Follow instructions, do your job well, avoid mistakes, get rewarded, and then trading breaks that model. Because markets do not reward obedience. They reward responsibility. Welcome to the phantom trader world, where clarity comes before execution. An employee operates inside a defined system, clear rules, clear expectations, clear structure. If something goes wrong, responsibility is shared. In trading, nothing is shared. Every decision is yours. Every loss is yours. Every mistake is yours. That shift is uncomfortable. Employees are trained to seek certainty, fixed hours, stable income, predictable outcomes. Traders operate in uncertainty, no guarantees, no fixed rewards, no external validation. This is why many intelligent, successful people struggle in trading. Not because they lack skill, but because their mindset was optimized for a different environment. An employee mindset values being right, avoiding errors, meeting expectations. A trader mindset values execution, risk control, consistency. In trading, being wrong is normal. Staying wrong is expensive. Employees are rewarded for activity. Traders are rewarded for patience. Doing nothing is often the most professional decision a trader can make. Another key difference is motivation. Employees are externally motivated. Deadlines, managers, reviews. Traders must be internally regulated. No one tells you when to stop. No one forces discipline. No one protects you from overtrading. That responsibility cannot be delegated. Employees specialize. Traders generalize. Risk, timing, execution, psychology. Trading compresses many roles into one person. This is not better or worse. It is different. The mistake is assuming the same mindset works everywhere. Markets do not punish lack of intelligence. They punish lack of self-awareness. The trader mindset is not aggressive. It is selective. It waits. It observes. It acts only when conditions align. Like a professional, not an employee following instructions. Trading becomes sustainable when identity shifts. From doing a job to managing uncertainty. Trading does not require a stronger strategy. It requires a different mindset. And not everyone is prepared to make that shift. If this video added clarity to how you see trading, support this work. An interaction tells the algorithm this foundation matters. A subscription tells me to keep building it with you.